So Fable 5 is back. Claude's most powerful and strongest model is back. So a couple of weeks ago, Claude released Fable 5, and Fable 5 is a super strong model. When it was released, a lot of people used it to clone websites, create a literal copy of websites, build games. So you can imagine how powerful this model is. Now, a couple of days after it was released, the government recalled it, and Claude had to stop. And so Fable 5 was gone. The access to Fable 5 was removed due to some security issues. And now, just 2 days ago, I opened Claude and I saw that Fable 5 is now back. And you can imagine what I did. Immediately, I jumped into using Fable 5 since I didn't get the opportunity to use it the last time it came out. And Fable 5 has been nothing but amazing. Today I'm going to share with you some of the amazing things you can do with Fable 5. And I'm also going to show you what I did with Fable 5. Now I want you to know that Fable 5 is an expensive model. So for right now, up until June 7th, you can use Fable 5 for free until you use up to 50% of your weekly limit, especially if you're a paid user, right? And after that, you're going to have to pay for it. And it's expensive, okay? Fable 5 is, like I said before, is one of Claude's strongest model. And it's built for long, complicated projects. So not like the regular questions you would ask ChatGPT. Fable 5 is built for longer projects. You can keep it, I'll ask it to do stuff and go away. And Fable 5 just goes on and does the work for you. You can ask it to read through large documents and Fable 5 will do it. It can work on something for a long stretch of time without checking in on you every minute. For example, with the Sonnet, right? If you're using co-work with Sonnet, it will constantly ask you, can I do this? Do you approve of this? Fable 5 is stronger than that, and it will just go ahead and do this work. It can read and understand documents, PDF, contracts, spreadsheets, soft charts. It can not just skim through them, it can actually understand what is in them, and this is super amazing, right? And the best part of it is Fable 5 double checks its own work. That is crazy before handing it back to you. So Fable 5 is working on learning its own self and building its own self. And that is crazy. So think of it like this. Every AI model before this was like smart assistant. Now Fable 5 is that smart assistant that you can leave on a project without looking back. Your worker that you can leave the entire organization to while you take a break, while you go on a vacation. Fable 5 is that. Now let us talk about the limits, right? Now, because Fable 5 is this powerful, Anthropic has built guardrails around it. For example, if you ask it to do something that is crazy, it will immediately fall back to Opus, right? To the Opus model. Now, it's not going to announce to you and say, hey, I'm going back to Opus, right? But it's going to immediately fall back to Opus model. And Anthropic says that this happened in less than 5% of conversation. So less than 5% of conversation asks to do something crazy, right? So for the most part, when you happen to be among the 5% that will ask Claude to do something crazy, it will immediately fall back to Opus, to a less powerful model. Now let's talk about a few ways we can use Fable 5 in our business, okay? 3 real ways to use it in your business. Number 1, market research. Super amazing. Before you launch an offer, right, you want to ask Fable 5 to help you research pricing, the demand, okay, the competitors in your niche before you set the price. So Fable 5 can do all of that heavy lifting for you, right, while you're doing something else. And this is super amazing because this takes the guesswork out of it. You can start a business, right, on a good note, knowing that all of this has been taken care of. Number 2, reading long documents in seconds. For example, a course contract, a tax form, a 40-page report, right? Upload it and tell it to pull out exactly what matters to you. And Fable 5 does that amazingly. Number three, this is my favorite, batching content. And if you're a content creator, you know that this is super important, okay? Instead of scripting one video at a time, right? Tell it to give you a whole month of topic. Let it just batch through it, create it, script it for you. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude to create my content. Super amazing. All right. Now let me show you what I asked Claude to do for me. And this is going to blow your mind. Now, because I'm a businesswoman and I love starting businesses and I love helping women start businesses, I used Fable to build a business building skill where if you plug it into your Claude, it will help you build a business in a matter of minutes. This skill will help you build a business from scratch. So let me show you what Fable 5 did for me. Now, this is my Claude dashboard. After I built the skill, it's the business builder skill. Okay, I wrote here, build me a business, and Claude will come and ask all of these questions, right? About your income plan, what your goal is, and all of that, the skill. And then Claude will now go and build a business for you, a detailed business for you. So I'm going to show you the business Claude built for me. Now, Claude has created it in this beautiful artifact, okay? It is AI Income Edge, goal $4,000 a month by July 31st, 2026. So it's telling you where you're at and where you're headed, right? The market snapshot. It has done the market research for us, right? And this is crazy. This is what you have, how you can get it, digital products to create, and giving us a calculator here where it calculates, right? And this calculator works, okay? Where it for you, the life goal calculator. So you play with your own numbers. This is amazing. And now the 90-day roadmap to hitting that $4,000 a month. This is it. Phase 1, the first offer. Phase 2, your first dollar. Phase 3, repeatable process. Phase 4, systemize and price up. Now, if you follow all of this, I can guarantee you that you're going to make that $4,000 in a month. Blind spots to watch. So this is what you need to be looking out for. Okay. And then checklist. And then it's giving you sources from where it did the research. This is super amazing. Now, I'm giving this skill out for just $50. It's a plug and play skill. You download the skill, right? You upload it to Claude. Super simple. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to upload it to Claude. When you open your Claude like this, you go to customize, all right? And it's going to bring you into skill straight up. And then you click add. Okay. Upload it. So when you purchase the skill and you download it from me and you click upload a skill, once you click on upload a skill, it's going to take you to your download documents, right? And then you just click on that, it uploads it immediately, and you have your business builder. Now, the beautiful part of it is you can even use it to create a business. You can help people build businesses as well. So you tell people, oh, listen, I can help you build a business. I can help you build a 90-day roadmap. And then you go there and type it, help me build a business for, and someone who likes to make ice cream or someone who likes to bake bread, and it's going to give you this detailed this thing. Listen, it's going to be linked in the description box, and for now it's still $50. So grab that skill and start making money today. Now, Fable 5 is going to be, you're not going to be able to use Fable 5 like that, except you pay for it after June 7th. And so I'm using it to build all the skills now so that you don't have to later. And I encourage you to grab this ASAP and start to build your businesses. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, I hope you hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. And hey, I want to invite you to the Empire Academy. In the Empire Academy, we're currently going through a 30-day AI challenge throughout the month of July. We're learning new AI skills. We're building one another. We're growing our income and all of that. So I invite you to join us. All right. And until I see you the next one, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is still Bridge. Ciao, ciao.